Coordinating Minister for Economy of the Republic of Indonesia, Your Excellency Mr. Sapta Nirvandar, Deputy Minister of Tourism and Economy Creative of the Republic of Indonesia, Your Excellency Mr. Harsha Yusuf, Ambassador of the Indonesian Republic in Slovakia, all other excellencies, dear distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I am delighted to offer you all a happy welcome at the concert of the Indonesian Orchestra and Choir Twilight, presented by the Slovak National Theatre and the Indonesian Embassy in Slovakia. It is for the first time that we have an opportunity to welcome the symphonic ensemble in Europe. It was founded in June 1991 as initially only a group of 20 musicians, but since then it has developed into a full symphonic orchestra with 70 musicians and 63 members of the Twilight Chorus. The chorus will join us in the second part of the concert, that's why you can see just half of them now sitting behind me. The repertoire of this ensemble ranges from the classical Beethoven composition to the popular songs of Beatles, and it has collaborated with world-acclaimed musicians such as Natalie Cole, David Foster, Richard Clayderman, or Moscow Rachmaninoff Trio. Virtuosity and adaptability of this ensemble will be proved also today, when, among others, they will present us a well-known Slovak song called Pieseň o rodnej zemi, or in English, it's Song About Homeland. This will be performed, surprisingly, by the Indonesian soloist. In addition, to make the cultural exchange complete, a typical Indonesian song will be presented by the baritone solist of the Slovak National Theatre, Mr. Pavel Remenar. However, before we let Mr. Conductor to raise his conducting baton and set the tempo, I would like to present you and invite to the stage important person, the host of this evening, His Excellency Mr. Harsha Yusuf, Ambassador of the Indonesian Republic in Slovakia.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Indonesia Enchanting Harmony concert. Thank you for coming on these delightful occasions. Indonesia and Slovakia have enjoyed a pleasant and close relationship for a very long time. Throughout the years, both nations have exchanged numerous arts and cultural programs. Some of you may have attended such programs from Indonesia in the form of Indonesian traditional music and dance like the ones exhibited by our Indonesian Embassy in Bratislava. In tonight's program, we shall enjoy two scores from contrasting background and special arrangement, Tabu Tabuan by Colin McPhee, a notable Canadian composer who was inspired by the Balinese culture and music. We will also mesmerized by a number of Indonesian evergreen lyrical pieces, poetic and historical songs blended with compilation of popular traditional arrangement from different parts of Indonesia, all packaged and rehearsed to best illustrate the enchanting harmony of Indonesia. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the program will be performed by Indonesian and Slovak artists as a representation of the harmonious relationship between both nations. Not just a performance, we are hoping that this concert would inspire an even better understanding and communication between Indonesia and Slovakia, highlighting new insight of their respective culture, arts, traditions, that is East meet West, through the universal language of symphony music. In this astounding occasion, I would like to thank Indonesian Ministry of Creative Economy, Kemenkraf, for providing sponsorship and support to the realization of this event. I would like to also thank the management of Slovak National Theatre for providing this beautiful and historic venue to house tonight's performance. Of course, I will not forget to thank Indonesian Embassy team in Bratislava, whom have been burning the midnight oil in the past few months in negotiating, preparing, and doing all the necessaries to ensure the success of this program. Finally, I would like you to join me to congratulate my best friend, my mentor, the Indonesian Coordinating Minister of Economy, Excellency Dr. Hatta Rajasa, for receiving doctorate honoris causa from Slovak Agricultural University in Nitra today. On behalf of the people of the Republic of Indonesia, I thank SPU Nitra and Rector Bilik for granting the prestigious honorary degree to one of Indonesia's finest son. I hope you enjoy the performance. Jakuyam.
Music is a universal language that can be understood without the need for interpreters or dictionaries, no matter how distant the countries of its origin might be. Therefore, there is nothing much left to say, just to welcome the musical director and conductor, Mr. Adi MS, and the orchestra and chorus Twilight.